In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Melbet app in iPhone. So this process is going to be pretty easy. So if I search Melbet in my Apple Store, you're going to see that I can't find Melbet in my Apple Store. So to be able to download Melbet app in iPhone, what you're going to do is to click on your Apple ID icon and you're going to click on your Apple ID. After that, you're going to click on country. After that, you're going to click on change country or region. You're going to scroll down until you find the country Egypt. You're going to click on Egypt. After that, you click on agree at the top right. After that, at the level of payment method, you click on no payment method. You're going to have your billing name. At the level of billing address, at the level of street, you're going to enter Georgia. If you scroll down at the level of city, you're going to enter Razio. At the level of governorate, if you click on governorate, you're going to scroll down at the bottom and find Cairo and click on done. At the level of postcode, you're going to enter 54637. At the level of phone, you're going to enter 642. At the level of phone number, you're going to enter 86 53 952. You're going to click on done and you're going to click on next at the top right. The app is going to refresh. Now, if I search for Melbet in my app store, I search Melbet, you're going to see that I can actually now download Melbet app in my iPhone. I will advise you to create a professional Melbet account. To do that, all you have to do is to click on register, click on full registration. After that, all you have to do is to enter your personal information and you scroll down. At the place of promo code, all you have to enter is CAMTV, which is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means if you deposit $100, you're going to get $300 as bonus.